Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading with David 305. Sorry, I was getting my coffee, so I missed a few minutes. Hope you guys got your coffee. Hope you guys are ready to make a little bit of money. Hopefully everything goes well today, right? Let's see what's going on here. Of course, ATR's at 36. A little volatile pre-market. That's been the norm for the last 3 weeks. I did take a little trade during Asia. Made $61. Let's go. What's up? You know, it doesn't move much during Asia, so $61 is like hitting a banger, okay? This is the 5-minute NASDAQ, 5-minute ES. We're going to switch this to 1 hour. NQ. See what's been going on. So pretty much a lot of ranging. Massive pump right here. What time was this at? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. At market close, massive pump. Am I gonna? Yeah, I'm trying to pass this eval, Bubba. I'm trying to pass this eval. Well, actually, I already passed it. As you can see, the goal was 53,000. I'm just trying to level out the consistency down to, what's it called, 50%. These are all my fundeds. I haven't really touched much of them. Yeah, I'm just gonna do eval again today because ATR is just way too high, guys. It's not normal conditions. But yeah, I'm still gonna look for the best trade possible, guys. I would recommend to trade evals today, maybe this whole week, just because it is very volatile. Yup. Alright, let me try out my coffee. I haven't even tasted it because it's hot. That'll work. Who saw Daredevil yesterday? Came out on Disney Plus. I was a little let down. A little bit. I wanted to see Jessica Jones already. Anyways. Let me lower this just a little bit more. Alright. So, let's see what happened. So yesterday, we had this massive pump at the close of the market session, almost. I call BS on that. This is the long we were looking for, guys. Look, so we had this long that we took yesterday, right? At the break of orb. Let me zoom in here. This was yesterday. We made money. Not that we didn't, but this should have delivered up to here. It should have delivered up to the top of this line. Everybody was looking for that long, I'm pretty sure. And so I took this long pop, took partial, closed out right here, about 60 points. But the truth is, this shit should have came all the way up here. It didn't. It started dumping. Some people made money when it and shorted it. Good for you guys. Yeah, my short would have probably been around here. Nowhere over here. Just because I don't short until we're under VWAP. I would have seen these two rejections at like 12 something if I was on. and then taking a short right here. Boom. So it tried to pump up again, got completely sold off, came right back down, retested VWAP, tried to pop again, couldn't. Regain control above 24,350, lost strength, went right back down. Then apparently a billionaire bought I don't know how many contracts and ripped this shit to the moon, or bought I don't know how much stock or whatever. Little fishy. That's not a millionaire, guys, or a billionaire. That's news. Nothing can move the market like that but news. That is news from either Iran saying something positive or Trump saying something positive. All right, so we got chop, 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 chop. Oh, you can see where I took the little Asia trade. It was a short, so I made like 70 bucks there. And this is the London session. It's just been ranging, guys. Look at this garbage, man. That's all week. Since this move, range. So, yeah, I highly recommend risk down. If you don't trade an eval and you trade a funded account, risk down. Yeah, it's gonna be rough. Hold up. Soundgeneering. What are you gonna trade? Are you trading evals today too, or are you doing any funded accounts? Trading a live account? I don't recommend it, but that's, it's not financial advice. It's not financial. Oh man. All right, let's see. Now I have Twitter open, X open, whatever you want to call it, 24/7. Okay. Donald Trump. Let's see. Tehran rejects Trump's peace talk claims, calling them an attempt to rebrand defeat as diplomacy. Is that gonna dump the market or what? You have reached a stage where you are negotiating with yourselves. Do not call your defeat an agreement. Will be no news of your investments in the region, and you won't see the former price of energy and oil. Blah blah blah. We don't care about the oil. We make our own oil. That oil is more crucial to everybody else. So anyways, I always do live account. Oh, okay. Market is now used to this Iran war conflict. Yes, more or less. I mean, it's still kind of volatile. Yeah. You always do a live account, huh? Okay. Yeah, no. I'm not doing no live accounts, guys. I'll be honest. I haven't done a live account since probably last year. So I just, prop firms are, for me, it's the best risk management tool. You follow their rules, you hit their targets, you get paid infinitely. So 50 or $100 into thousands. I don't know. It just makes sense to me, guys. I don't know. Sure, I have to follow their rules, but if you know how to trade, you know how to follow the rules. Obviously, I made a mistake. I made crazy $60,000 and I broke all their rules. So now I have to fix them. But eventually they'll get fixed and that money will be mine. So no biggie. You just got to stay consistent, guys. Consistency is the key. All right. All right, so let's mark out some levels. This is the 1 hour time frame. What do we got? Looks like we still have some imbalance and a swing low right here. This shit wouldn't mind going down there, but we'll see. We are slightly above VWAP right now, so that's good. See what ES is up to. We're above VWAP on ES also. Let's go back to the 1 hour. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna take out this line. We're gonna move it to London low. All right, so the London low is 24,351.75. Now we're gonna do the London high. That's about it. 24,539.25, and then we have the daily high of the previous daily high right above that. So major liquidity zone right there, guys. So just be careful. We also have EMA 200 up here with the swing high that I just marked here, 24,539, 24,39. Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah, that's that line. So yeah, there's a lot of liquidity here. Just be careful. Oh yeah, it's a 35-second lag. I mean, it really depends on your internet. Sometimes YouTube itself, how far you are from Florida. I mean, I have the fastest internet, really. It's over, what, at least a gig of speed. So that's more than sufficient to go as fast as possible. So it's just YouTube does that, man. I'm really sorry, guys, that there is a lag, but that's almost every stream on YouTube. So you gotta kind of anticipate that. That's why I try to tell you more or less what I'm looking for 30 to 40 seconds prior to taking the trade. So if you guys are paying attention and you see what I'm looking for, you'll know that I'm probably gonna take the trade or not take the trade if that appears, you know. All right, let's see. On my iPad, I also watched the live stream of the BDH, but there's only 4-second delay. They're also in Florida. Interesting. All right, well, I'll see if I could. Well, I mean, the thing is, when the stream is bigger, probably when there's a. I'm sure YouTube speeds up the stream for someone who has over 5,000 views or people watching at the same time. You know what I mean? So they give priority to the more popular streams than to somebody who has about 30 views. It's all good. Hey, maybe one day I'll be on the BDH with Patrick and D Money, so they can see I take more. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens one day. Nah, those guys trade a little wild sometimes. Patrick is wild. Patrick is wild. D Money, I like his trading style. I like D Money's trading style. Patrick trades well too. Don't get me wrong. He has good trades. He's just a lot riskier. He takes a lot crazier trades than I would. But he has the money to lose, so he doesn't care. And they give him over hundreds of prop firms for free. So these guys, who cares? You think they care if they blow 5 or 10 prop firms? That's nothing. Yeah, yo, if I get bigger than the BDH, or at least equal, man. I'm not trying to listen. If I could get close to the BDH level, guys, yo, that'll be some shit. Yeah, Patrick's a gambler for sure. But hey, he be hitting some trades, dude. He be hitting some trades. But D Money, I like D Money's style. I like his trading style is very similar to mine. We look for more or less the same confluences. The difference is that I get more than 10, 20 points. But then again, he's risking maybe 2-3 minis. So I kind of get him. He has to go for quick scalps. But yeah, no. They know what they're doing. Patrick's been at this for a while, man. Years. Let's see. All right, so currently ATR is at 36. We are in a slight uptrend since this candle exploded, popped, but it's very wicky, guys, very wicky. Oh yeah, you know it's crazy. While I'm streaming, obviously I don't see what they're looking at, but I'm pretty sure when you look at traders that know how to trade, we're all looking at the same thing, guys. We're all looking at the same thing. We could kind of see more or less what might happen because we just been looking at these charts for so many years. So you know, we see the same patterns over and over. It gets to a point where you kind of know which way it wants to go. Most of the time, not all the time, but sometimes it does these fake outs, you know what I mean? But yeah. The only ones that I don't like to watch, it's not that I don't like to watch, they're not bad traders, it's just people who have a complete different strategy from me, that they trade like reversals. Bro, I can't watch those people because I'm like, dude, how are you gonna take they're trying to top tick or bottom tick. I'm like, dude, it's popping up, everything is showing you it's going up and you're going you're going short on it. That for me just drives me up the wall, because I'm like, I can't do that. I can't go against the momentum that I'm watching. And sometimes it works out for them. Sometimes it just completely rejects and it bounces and it dumps, and I'm like, chill. I don't know. For me, that's like catching a falling knife. You know, like if it's going down and you're taking along on it. Nah. I gotta see. You gotta tell me you want to start going up. You know. Yeah. D Money does his scalps, man. He's like 5-10 points, I'm out. 5-10 points, I'm out. The only bad thing about that, because there is a lag, if you do take the trade, by the time he gets out, you're still in the trade. It could reverse, and then you hit your stop loss, because he does it so fast that you're like, yo, the delay kills you. So you can't. It's hard to trade with people who are in and out of the trade that fast, especially on YouTube. That's why my stream does fairly well, is because I'm in there for a good minute. You know, I don't just take scalps. The good thing is you guys could take scalps though, because I usually tell you guys, hey, you could close the trade out right there. You know, we're up already like 10-15 points, maybe 20 points, maybe 30 points. You guys could close it out. You don't have to wait till my TP gets hit. And sometimes my TP doesn't get hit. It reverses and goes straight to stop loss, and then I feel bad, because I'm like, damn, okay, we got 5 minutes to the New York Stock Exchange opens. But I'm willing to take the loss. That's the thing. Like, I'm willing to let it ride. When I take the trade, if my auto trail doesn't kick in, it's not meeting my strategy's plan. All right. Let's get ready. Market's going to open in about 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So if you hear this, Green Giant, obviously this thing's going to be pumping. And then if you hear this, tactical nuke incoming! That means it's going down, guys. It's going down. Sorry. Let's see what happens today. We're gonna stay patient. Yesterday I got a little excited and took a short before it broke out, and it didn't break out, and then it killed me, and I lost $400 for no reason, and I had to get that back. Luckily, I made back like $700 something. So we ended the day green, but that was a premature trade. Let's see NASDAQ. What is ES doing? ES is going sideways. Chop fest right here. Choppity chop. Don't you guys love it? Who's trading the NASDAQ on New York session, guys? They have completely patched it. They've patched it. It's going sideways. Oh man. All right, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Probably 2 minutes for you guys with the delay. Forget me there. I woke up with the sniffles today.
some milk.
Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, share. Whatever you can do. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, make sure you write it in the chat and I'll answer it as best as I can. If you're like, I don't know what I'm looking at, David, don't feel shy. What is that green candle? What is the red square, rectangle? Whatever you don't know, just tell me. These are called candles, guys. These are called candles. So yeah, this is an imbalance here. This red gap. But any questions you guys have, just feel free to ask me. Don't be shy. All right, here we go. Market opens in about 50 seconds. Hope y'all are ready. It's gonna be volatile. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. So these candles take 1 hour to form. These take 5 minutes. We trade on the 5 minute time frame, but we look at the overall higher time frames here. All right, here we go. 20 seconds until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Let's see what this wants to do, if it's going to chop all day or what. All right, and we're off. All right, we're getting a pop to the upside. Let's see what happens. Looks like it tapped that VWAP here on the 5 minute time frame, and it is shooting up. Might want to fill this imbalance here, balance out the price. Wouldn't doubt that. But let's see, this shit has been very choppy, very wicky, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, pretty much sideways. Let's see if it picks a direction during the New York session today. Oh, very important. We haven't even done this. Hold up. Sorry, my bad. Let's close that. Let's do this. There we go. Here we go. Any news today? No news. Very important. Always look at the news, guys. Trump speaks at 7:20 p.m. today. Orange folder. Market will be closed. No worries there. No red folders, no orange folders. So y'all could relax. All right. What's price doing? Nothing. The price is just giving everybody
emotional damage.
Good morning, Buckaroo. Good morning, good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, please. You're gonna see the ORB strategy live every day here. That's the title of this stream today. I put ORB strategy just because, you know, it's really what we do. So opening range breakout. Opening range breakout strategy. With a little bit of EMAs, a little bit of fair value gaps, imbalances. I use a little mix of everything, like every strategy kind of. And price action, of course. price action has been ass. But we're just trying to catch a couple moves. This thing doesn't know what to do. That's fine. As long as we catch the breakout, guys. Let this shit go sideways. The moment it wants to break out of orb, pop. 10-4, we got him. Look at this. Woo! Rejection to the downside. What is ES up to? What's going on? ES is trying to go up. Tapped super trend. All right. Good morning, everybody. Everybody awake? Everybody ready? Everybody ready to make some money? Let's go. Tap in, guys. Tap in. Only got Sound Engineering and Buckaroo in the chat. Let's go. Lauren, Danny. Who else is here? I only see the viewers. I don't see who's viewing. But if you chat, then I know you're here. Just did some scalps, made 71. Let's go. Let's go. You're doing that, what's it called? You're doing that Patrick Whelan. taking the long at the 9:30. We're going long. Let's go, Lauren. Let's go. Yeah. Look at this shit's pumping now. I don't know what Patrick Whelan's doing, but yeah, if I was him, or if I'm thinking like him, he'd probably be taking longs right now. At open. We're like, oh, this thing's pumping. It's above the EMAs. It closed up here. We're going long. $71. Yeah, I mean, we're kind of tied now. I think you're beating me, but I took a little trade during Asia, made 61. So yeah. Let's see. That's where we're at. All right. Let's see what happens. This looks like a chop fest on the 1 hour time frame here. I'm gonna pull up my other time frames, which I believe is this one. Sorry, you keep seeing this Porsche. You're like, yo, what's up with this Porsche, bro? Every time I switch screens or whatever, the Porsche background pops out. Well, massive green giant. Oh, let's go. If you're in a long,
green giant,
this thing is ripping.
Green giant, green giant.
This thing is ripping. Wow. Like, it's been doing crazy ass moves right before anybody gets in the market. Here we go with the bullshit again. Technically it's choppy, so we want to see a continuation. We do have a lot of liquidity up here. Daily high, London high, previous day daily high, right? So we got to be careful when price does get up here. If we are looking for any kind of longs, which we should be because all the EMAs are below, want to see some sort of pullback, and then a pop right back out. So stay patient, guys. Let me delete that. That's kind of confusing, but yeah. Stay patient. We're gonna set the orb, guys, and we're gonna go straight off orb. All right, stay patient. Let's see what happens. Let's see ES real quick. Did I even see it? Yeah, ES hit the top of the swing high and the daily high. So pretty much ES hit this zone up here for the equivalent of this zone. Let's see what it does. Probably reverse, retouch, VWAP, rip right back up. I don't know. We'll see. All right. We filled that imbalance. New York Open filled it. We are rebalanced. This shit is really oh shit. Really volatile, guys. Y'all be very careful with this market, guys. We got 5 more minutes until the 15-minute orb is set, but this shit is very volatile. So just risk down, guys. If you take a loss, it's okay. I'm sure a lot of people are losing. Just be okay with what you're losing. You know what I mean? Don't over leverage, over risk. It's very difficult to trade this, guys. You guys are, this shit is on elite trading level right now. So even if you're profitable this month or even this week, dude, the key is really to just survive. If you're up $1, man, you're doing good, because there's people losing hundreds, if not thousands, this week. I'm really thinking this shit wants to go up, guys. You know what gave me that idea? How big is the range so far? Let's see. So far, we've done 100 points. Yo, literally 100 points? That's crazy. Exactly 100 points? That's crazy. Let me take that down. All right. I think it's going for that swing high right there.
Connection lost.
Nah, don't be playing with me. Don't be, yeah, it gotta do it at least once a day. You gotta do it at least once a day. Trade of 8. Don't act up too. We're already in a conflict with Iran. Now you want to be shutting down. Don't be doing that. We don't need extra problems. Okay, 2 minutes 40 seconds, more or less. There is no news today, so don't worry about any red folders, but you do got to worry about Mr. Twitter fingers. So be careful with that. Yeah, this isn't a major down. If you look at the higher time frames, like 4 hour, we're in a big downtrend. It did try to obviously pop to the upside. It could be doing a change of character. Dogs are going wild right now. Dogs are getting it. Let's go. Alrighty. Right back down. Hold up. Dogs. The dogs are also trading. Yeah, trading words. They're trading barks. Yeah, they got a little excited. All right, so now we got a clear rejection to the downside. I think I'm gonna mark out the orb now, guys. Let's focus here. All right, so whoa, that shit is flushing. Complete rejection to the upside, guys. Look at that. Would you look at that? Wow. Look at that. What a rejection. Rejection. And it inverses this, guys. Yo, we're looking for a short already. Be ready. Be ready, guys. I need to see a strong closure down here. Let's see how ES is looking. Let's mark out orb here too. Let's go. We still got about 5 minutes until the orb is either broken down or broken up. So just hang tight. We're going to stay patient. We're going to stay patient. All right, so 9:35. Here we go. We do have VWAP at the bottom. All right, let's focus. Do not take a breakout into VWAP. We want to see a clear closure. Oof. I prefer a long, to be honest. But that's a clear rejection to the upside. So, hold up. All right. What are we looking for here? You got EMA 200 down here. This is tricky stuff, guys. Overall time frame, super choppy. This is difficult, man. This is very difficult. This looks like a 50-50 trade, to be honest. Y'all better risk down in case you lose, or don't trade it. Or do not take it. This shit is crazy right now. Damn. It tapped, or it kind of got very close to EMA 50 on the 4-hour time frame. Shit. And this shit is just choppy, dude. Very choppy. Very choppy, guys. Is this going to turn into a hammer? Is it going to go for the swing low? We're right at VWAP, guys. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP here. I want to see a strong closer. If it closes strong, maybe. ATR is at 41. I'm going to do two micros today. Let's not get crazy. Let's not get too crazy. On an eval, man. I just want to stay getting these little base hits, to be honest. Base hits is the key. Let's see what happens here. Let's stay patient, guys. We are looking at 5 minutes and 1 hour time frame here. All right, so we're doing nothing right now. Shit is just chopping. Let's do the 15-minute time frame here so you guys can see the chop fest. Look at this bullshit. Look at this. We can set the orb here so you guys can kind of see the orb. This candle is the 15-minute orb. Boom. Look at that. Just chop. And when I switch it to the 1 hour, it's gonna be there. There's your orb. On the 1 hour. Did I mark that out right? I think I did. Let's go back to 15-minute. Yeah, because the 1 hour has all these candles together. All right. Is it gonna break to the downside? I mean, this will be. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, we got about 10 seconds. Let's see, ES, where you at? All right.
Order filled.
I'm short, guys. I'm short. Let's see what we get. Is it gonna pop right back up? Hope not. Hope we get a dump. If not, I'm down 200. Orb strategy. It's a breakout. Some people wait for the retest. I do not. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all had to be quick with it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, no, don't take me out. I'm trailing tight, guys. I'm trailing tight. I'm trailing very tight. 120.
Stop.
I trail very tight because the swing lows right here. It might go lower if you're still in it. But I just scalped about 180. Well, sorry, 160 something. I had a bunch. I had like 60 bucks additionally. So here we are. Took a short on that breakout right there. Obviously got very close to the swing low. Started trailing very tightly. Auto trail kicked in. It hit over 40 points. Did you guys catch that? I hope you guys saw that breakout there. Yeah, total of 191. It probably could keep going lower, just so you guys know. So it's just, there's a lot of resistance here, guys. It might want to go for the London low. So let's go, guys. Y'all took that quick short or what? I know I did it really fast, guys. I'm really sorry, and I know that there's a delay, but yeah, it literally at the last 10 seconds decided to break out on everything to the downside, and it keeps going, guys. So if you're still in that trade or you took it late, you should be in the green. You should be in the green. There it goes. It's going for that London low. It might tap that pivot point. Be careful. There's a pivot point right here. It might tap that and bounce. Be very careful, guys. Yeah, this shit is really ripping. It's tapping EMA 200 on the 15-minute time frame. Be very careful. This swing low, usually there's a pop up. I took my profits right about here. My TP was down here, so just a lot of resistance. We're going up against all the swing lows, EMAs, pivot points, so a lot of buyers down here. So you just got to be very careful. That's why, look at this pop right back up. Look at this bullshit. I'm telling you, you got to be quick in this market, man. With the ATR at 42, pre-market was popping. You got to be real quick. Yeah. Oh man, yeah. These things. 1 second it's dumping, the next second it just bounces hard, rips your stop, and then comes right back down again. So be very careful. I hope you guys took that short real quick, that breakout. I mean, it closed under all the EMAs except EMA 200. It kind of tapped EMA 200, so that's why I was thinking it was a little risky. But on the higher time frame here, 1 hour, we're looking at a bearish pin bar. So a complete hammer to the downside. You know, there you go. And it's still going down, guys. So if you didn't get stopped out and you have a 50-point stop loss, you're still good. This will probably come down to the TP that I originally had, which was 200 bucks, to be honest. That's what I was, and I'm at 185, so I'm happy with that. It's for $9. Yeah, for $9 not hitting TP, yeah, I'm good. I only did 2 micros, 50 points. That's 200 bucks. 185, up 807 for the week. That's not bad. I know it's not as much as you guys make, but I'm happy with the base hits, guys. Still holding. Let's go. Let's go. W. Hey, if you guys are still in this short or you got in late, this shit's still dumping, guys. This shit could hit the London low right now. It's still going. Just be careful right here, because this is a pivot point. It does like to bounce after a swing low. So just make sure you trail tight, or at least be at break even, guys. At least be at break even, please. These little freaking pops are 40, 50 points. So just be careful. What a breakout trade right there. Hey, ORB works, guys. It works more often than not if you do it correctly. 15-minute ORB on the 5-minute time frame. Waited for a breakout. Boom. How many points did we get there, guys? There it is. This is textbook breakout. No retest. There was no retest, and this is why I don't wait for retest, and I just have a high stop loss of about 50 points or more sometimes. We got a total of 58 points, and that's why my TP is usually at about 50 points. Auto trail kicks in at 40 points. So even if it doesn't hit the total 60 points, I still get stopped in profit. So I make something. But this market is very difficult to trade, guys. Very difficult to trade. Be careful. Look at this. It on the 15-minute time frame, it tapped EMA 200. Tapped pivot point. There's gonna be a bounce. There's gonna be a bounce to the upside, guys. So that's what we're getting right now. It had the swing low. It pops up. Gotta wait to see what it does, because it might want to retest VWAP again now. But look at that, how beautiful right here on the 1 hour. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I know it was trailing for sure. Good job, guys. Good job. Oh, man, I'm sorry. That was really quick. And if you guys didn't feel safe taking that short, I get it. I get it. It's been in a range for some time, but man, this is like Wild Wild West right now. You gotta have quick fingers. Gotta have quick fingers. I'm probably not gonna even look for another trade, to be honest. We're gonna end the stream a little early, end it in green, and tomorrow we'll look again. Hey, that's why I've been here since 9 o'clock already. It's been an hour, guys. That's a lot of work for me, man. The truth is, if you have a high stop loss, you want to do less trades. If you have a smaller stop loss, you take more trades. I usually have a high stop loss, so I take 1 or 2 trades and I'm done for the day. That's the way you should be handling it, guys. So I'm just gonna wait until the 1 hour time frame comes out just to see how it reacts, which is gonna pop up now in 1 minute and 20 seconds, more or less. That's the 10 a.m. candle. And it looks like this shit is doing a complete V-shaped recovery, guys. Be very careful. Hope you guys are at least at break even. Let's see. Or reverse. It goes lower. It might want to fill this imbalance down here. Who knows? This should be wildin', man. Look at this shit. Look at this. Would you look at this? Look at this bullshit. This is trash, to be honest, guys. But orb usually, oh my god, look at this. Complete rejection back hammer time. Wow. Wow. Is it going for the swing low down here? Should I take another short? 1 micro? 1 micro? Or do a fun? Nah, let's not. Let's play around with the sim account. Let's do that. I'm done with the trades. Let's play around with the sim. This is gonna close in about 10 seconds. I have a feeling it's gonna go lower, guys. 99 contracts on the sim account. This is monopoly money. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Let's go. Oh, whoa. Is it going lower? I think it's gonna go lower, guys. I think it's gonna go lower. I think it's gonna flush. Oh, yo, isn't that super cool? Oh my god, look at that. It just completely bounced up off the pivot. I think there's a lot of selling pressure though. It's right at EMA 50. Right at EMA 50, guys. This is monopoly money, but oh my goodness. Oh, I wasn't wrong. I wasn't wrong. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I should have done this with the live account. Oh my god. All right, I'm just closing that out on the sim account. I'm just closing. Yo, what an exit. Look at that exit right at the end. What an exit. I love playing around with the sim account because it shows you what's possible, guys. Look at that. 99 contracts. It's about 10 minis. $7,800 on the sim account. Oh, man. It's fun playing around. Fun playing around. But if you guys took that short again and you closed it out when I closed it out, you're good. You're good. Just be very careful here, guys. This could be a sweep right here. It did hit the London low that I had marked out. It could rip right back up now. So let's go. I'm good with this, guys. I really am good with this. And there we go. It's turning into a dragonfly now. Dragonfly pattern. That's a reversal. If this closes green up here, it's gonna pop up. If it closes green, we still got what? 3 minutes. 3 minutes till it finishes closing. Let's see what it does. All right, $7,800 on a sim account, but we made 185. So we took a short at the breakout. This showed me complete indecision. That was a 50-50 trade, but overall the trend is bearish. We are in a bearish move right here. It did tap EMA 50. I knew it was gonna sweep a little lower. I thought it actually would have gone a little lower and taken this low out, but it didn't do it, man. This market is just not completely delivering where it needs to. Just, you got to be quick with the trigger finger, man. You guys got to be quick with the closing of the trades. But yeah, there you go. That's the difference between trading with no fear and trading with a little fear. No fear, you go crazy. A little fear, you make a little bit. Well, this could have gone completely opposite too. You know, this could have been completely red, 8,000. So I just had pretty good momentum to the downside, and this was a complete rejection wick to the upside, right? So before it tries to go up again, I thought it was going to try to go down, and that's exactly what it did. But look at that exit, man. Yo, that's a perfect exit right at the bottom. Right at the bottom of the tick. That's crazy. What an exit, David. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button so I can continue to grow the channel. That doesn't pay me, guys. That just grows the channel. People start seeing me more at the top of trading, NASDAQ Futures. And then they're like, oh, let me see who this guy is. Oh, shit, this guy is pretty good. And then they start watching. Then the channel grows. So, yeah, make sure you hit that like button. Appreciate everyone for tuning in. Trailing. All right, awesome. See you tomorrow. Let's go. Sound engineering. Thank you for always tuning in, man. Appreciate it. This is turning into kind of a dragonfly pattern. If it does close up here, it's probably gonna rip to the upside, guys. If this closes, oh, it's getting pushed. Let's see. I think it might go higher, guys. I think it's gonna go higher up. Just gotta be careful with VWAP right here. I think it's gonna go just a little higher before it goes lower. Up to you guys if you want to take that trade, but I don't know. I think it wants to go at least to tap, maybe top of orb, or tap at least this fair value gap on the 5-minute. All right. Yeah, there it goes. I was about to say, I was like, man, this shit really wants to go lower. That would be a fake out. I think it wants to tap the top of orb. The bottom of orb. And then maybe retest VWAP. It might inverse this completely and then shoot to the upside. But this is kind of a dragonfly pattern, which shows a buy. Thank you, bro. See you guys tomorrow. Bakaru, let's go. Hope you guys hit a nice W with me. Hope you guys got a nice little short there. Made some money. Appreciate you guys. Look at this. Hey, didn't I say it was going to pop from right here? I said it was going to pop. I said it. Bro, Nostradamus out here, guys. Anyways, I'm going to stop looking at the charts. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305, the NASDAQ, micro NASDAQ, and also ES. Really, we don't trade ES, but we look at ES, which is the S&P 500. Y'all have a great rest of your day. What's today? Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. We're past the hump day. Let's see what's going on tomorrow in the news real quick. We do got a red folder at 8:30, and then just some FOMC members talking. No real important news as of yet. So let's see what happens, guys. Oh, look at this. Tapped VWAP, and now it's getting rejected. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What's ATR at? 46. Y'all better be careful. Anyways, y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock. This is a short stream today. Made money real quick. This shit decided to pop out of orb at 9:50. We took our money and ran. All right. Y'all have a great day. And see you tomorrow. Peace.